Welcome to OBDsync. In this episode, we're going through how to disable the active fuel management, or also known as displacement on demand, in a Holden VE V8 ECU. First, click the vehicle button and then head over to the engine control module tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. If you haven't licensed already, the licensing screen will show now. Go to the top, click on flashing, then configurable options. We'll then have two options. If you just want to disable the AFM, just go into the AFM status parameter and turn that to disabled. If you've actually removed all the AFM hardware, that's where we want to turn off the fault codes. But since in this vehicle we haven't taken out all of the hardware, we'll leave that as enabled. Go ahead, press right, make sure that you actually have a battery maintainer fitted before you do anything. This prompt then tells us that it will be wiping any custom tune that's on there. We'll be putting factory files on, plus the modifications that we've done here. When ready to go, press OK, and this will then begin downloading the required files to suit that engine computer and that vehicle setup. Once it's downloaded, it will then begin the flashing sequence, and then finally we'll actually start flashing in the custom calibrations, which will start in the next couple seconds. I have fast forwarded the actual flashing part here. It does take longer than what is displayed. It's usually around sort of 45 seconds to a minute, sometimes longer if it needs to do an operating system update. This flash was a calibration only, so it did take roughly sort of 45 seconds for that to complete. Once it's done, we'll get a pop-up indicating it is successful, and we can go ahead and press OK. That's all we had to do. That's now disabled. You can go for a drive and it will no longer activate AFM. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.